Yeah, hello there. So welcome you all to my channel. I'm Crypto Lord. You can call me Arbitrage Lord. Yeah, so I've already told you that crypto arbitrage doesn't have anything to do with candlesticks and stuff, but we deal with what crypto and fiat. That's what we usually focus on in order to what to make money or to cash out. Yeah. So right now, we can see that the bank rates compared to the P2P rate are different. The bank rate is way low, and the P2P is what also high. Yeah, and we also have an app that you can use it to buy a crypto with Ghana cedis. It's not only Ghana cedis, we have a lot of currencies as well. But because I base in Ghana, that's why normally I use Ghana cedis. Yeah. So if I come here, you can see that we have you pay with Ghana cedis and you get this amount. So I will choose USDT. And when you are choosing, please choose BNB chain because that one comes with cool amounts. Yeah. So let me start with, let's say, 500 Ghana cedis. So 500 Ghana cedis, we're getting 4.4. Right now, the rate is not all that good, but let's try. Like, if the rate is not good, when you're doing with small money, the profit is very small. Yeah, 4.4, right? So 4.4. So I'll go to P2P straight. So and choose this person. 4.2, right? So it means that every trade I'll be earning 16 Ghana cedis from 8 per every trade. I'll be earning 16 Ghana cedis per every trade. You see, so it means that if I trade 16 Ghana cedis will be what will be my profit. You see that thing? Yeah. So that's a good thing. So imagine if you're doing this thing 10 times. And this one, we have a particular bank account that you will use to do. And some of the banks too, they charge for like card fee and stuff, transaction fees. Yeah. But some of the banks too are free. So all of this, I will especially teach you everything. Yeah. So if you want to learn this, yeah, I have mentorship pack also, and this coming 31st of this month, yeah, I'm also doing an online class, and it's just $10. I have the ticket link in the description. You can just click on it, and if you're watching me from TikTok, it's on my bio. Click on it and buy just $10, and I'll teach you everything that you need to know about arbitrage. Yeah, I'll teach you all the strategies. Yeah, but if you need a personal mentorship too, you can chat me and I'll put you through the personal mentorship as well. Yeah. So in this case, if I'm using 500 Ghana cedis, my profit will be what? It will be 16 Ghana cedis. Someone will be saying that 16 Ghana cedis per transaction there, that one day it be small, no be profitable and stuff. Do you know the reason why? You are saying it's small because you are thinking of just one trade. This one is just one trade. So imagine you doing it 10 times. That's 160 Ghana cedis. 10 times every day times 31 days. How much are you earning? You see, so whenever you're doing trade, don't focus on the small the profit is, because when you're using huge amounts of money, the profit will be increasing. That is why I said as a beginner or a starter, the first thing that should come into your mind as arbitrage trader is what? To rebuild your capital. Because when you rebuild the capital, then you're rebuilding the profit as well, because the higher the capital, the higher the profit. Yeah. So if I'm trading with 5,000, I'm getting 444.2, right? Watch. 444.2. See? Per trade, I'm earning 188 Ghana cedis per trade. So the 10 times, I'm earning 1,800 something. You see, yeah. So that's what I'm saying. So rebuilding the capital is also part of the process. Is that thing? Rebuilding a capital is also part of the process. Yeah. And that's why I'm saying that you need a good mentor that will show you everything that you need to know. That will put you through every corner that you need to know. You see that thing? Yeah. And that's what I come in. That's where I come in. Yeah. To guide you, to mentor you, and show you all the tricks and the strategies in order to make your money. Yeah. So I'm Crypto Lord, and please don't forget to share my videos. Share my videos to your friends so that they can also watch and subscribe to Good Knowledge to Make Money Online. I'm out.